రిజర్వ్ బ్యాంక్ గవర్నర్గా రఘురామ్ రాజన్ తన చివరి ద్రవ్య పరపతి పాలసీ సమీక్షలో ఎలాంటి సర్ప్రైజ్లు లేకుండా కీలక వడ్డీ రేట్లను యథాతథంగా ఉంచుతున్నట్లు ప్రకటించారు. మెజార్టీ నిపుణులు భావించిన మాదిరిగానే రాజన్ నిర్ణయం వెలువడింది. ఎలాంటి మార్పులు చేయని కీలక వడ్డీ రేట్ల రెపో 6.5%గా, రివర్స్ రెపో 6%గా, సిఆర్ఆర్ను 4%గా ఉంచుతున్నట్లు చెప్పారు.
Question you had was on NPS, and I'll ask Mr. Mundra to add anything on this. Broadly speaking, we are comfortable with the recognition process that banks have certainly taken a lot of steps. Some banks, as I've said publicly before, have taken more steps than we required them to take, and so the culture of cleaning up seems to be well embedded, as well as a culture of recovery on some of the loans. What remains is for some of these large stressed projects to figure out a way to restructure them in a way that makes sense for the longer term health of the system and the health of the project. Now, there are a number of schemes, RBI schemes, that are available, the latest being the S4A, and well, early days. I think what is important is to make sure, see, the attitude towards these schemes is also changing. The earlier attitude was, this is a way to postpone recognition. That is no longer there. Now the question is this a way to effect resolution? And so, you know, the schemes are now being looked at with new eyes. And the hope is that as the recovery in the economy also starts taking place, some of the stressed assets will be put back on track. There'll also be more buying interest in some of the other assets which have the possibility of new ownership.